Welcome to quick and easy fluffy pancakes recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter or oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. Additional butter or oil for cooking instructions. Warm greetings. Welcome to the delightful world of homemade fluffy pancakes. Get ready to whip up a batch of these delicious treats. Preparation. In a mixing bowl, gather 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, blend together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, if you love a hint of vanilla flavor. Mixing it up. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Gently stir until just combined. Remember, a few lumps in the batter are perfectly fine. Prepare the griddle. Preheat a skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease the surface with butter or oil to ensure the pancakes don't stick. Cooking time, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges start to set, typically 2-3 minutes. Carefully flip the pancakes and cook the other side until it turns a lovely golden brown, about 1-2 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Serve the pancakes warm and let your creativity shine with toppings such as maple syrup, fresh fruits, whipped cream, or chocolate chips. Final touch. Get ready to enjoy your homemade fluffy pancakes. Feel free to share this joyous breakfast with friends and family. Now you're all set to dive into making these delightful pancakes. Enjoy the cooking process and the delicious outcome.